Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I am in USA. I am in the state of Detroit and in the city Ann Arbor, and I am staying in this famous Wyndham Garden Hotel. It's a chain and it's available almost everywhere in US, Canada and various parts of the world. So it is a very good location. You can see I-94 highway that is just next to me, and from there on a exit I came here, and then this is the main area. I'll give you whole tour of the hotel. Like, I paid around 222 US dollars for Canadian dollars for one night. Tomorrow I'll be on my journey to a different location, so I'll give you a walkthrough of this place. So this is the main reception I'm going to. First of all, like, you have free parking and there are too many parking spots, and because of its connectivity with the city you get everything available over here. So you have like gym, fitness center, business center, small vending shop. They have water, lemon and other things available. They have a bar and 2 restaurants. That's huge thing. Of course I cannot do the photography inside the swimming pool, but I'll show you of the hotel. Right now we are going to the reception area. Okay, and here we have like lemon. It's just 2-floor hotel and my room is on the down floor. It's meeting room and then there's swimming pool. Of course I will not do photography there, but I'll give you a tour of the hotel. As I was telling you, there's a bar here. They have business center, conference room and all such facilities. It's an excellent place to spend time. They have gym also, fitness center also. This is another exit, and they have banquet rooms, elevator, all facilities you have over here. So you're gonna like this place if you come as me. Tomorrow I'll be on my journey to the different location in the states. Thanks for watching guys.